In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw an arc with a specific radius and length in AutoCAD. We'll use a precise and reliable workflow. Start with a full circle at the exact radius you need, cut it into a partial arc. And then set the exact arc length using the lengthen command. This approach removes guesswork and keeps your geometry fully controlled. Begin by creating the circle that defines your radius. Type circle and press enter. Click to set the center point or snap to a known point if you are using object snaps. When prompted for a radius, type your specific radius value and press enter. Be sure you are entering a radius, not a diameter. If your drawing uses particular units, keep those in mind as you enter the number so the size is correct. Next, turn that circle into a partial arc. Type break, or just BR, and press enter. Select the circle. AutoCAD will ask for 2 break points. Click 2 points on the circle to remove a portion of it, leaving a segment that's longer than the final arc length you want. Leaving it longer is helpful because the next command can precisely shorten or extend the arc to match your required length. If you accidentally remove the wrong portion, use undo and try again. Picking cleaner break points. Object snaps can help you break near quadrant or other reference points if that's useful. Now it's time to set the exact arc lengths. Type lengthen, or LEN, and press enter. You'll see several options. Choose total by typing T and pressing enter. This tells AutoCAD you are defining the final total length of the arc. Enter your desired arc length value and press enter. With the length defined, click the side of the arc you want AutoCAD to adjust. The software will either shorten or extend the arc along its curve to hit the exact length you specified, using the unchanged side as the anchor. If the result adjusts the opposite end from what you expected, simply undo and click the other side. A couple of practical tips as you work: keep the initial arc segment longer than your target length, so the total option can trim it cleanly. If you need to extend instead, that works too. Lengthen will add the missing length along the curve. For clarity, zoom in when picking breakpoints and the side to adjust, and keep object snaps enabled for accuracy. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.